Go to the Swagger first.
So we're, of course, where deployment is done, we are actually going to create the, whatever is working, we actually start the, we're going to do the smoke testing. So the testing, smoke testing done by the both DevOps engineer and the quality assurance engineer, both, because deployment, after the deployment, it has to go to the entire quality assurance team. It can go to the business team. It can go to the other team who is waiting for this. But he does not want to be a situation that his deployment is not working. Everybody will be lost. He said, what the hell I just did? I shouldn't have opened my mouth and sent an email that, oh, I deployed. But everybody will start sending the email. Nothing is working. And your manager say, what the hell you did? Why didn't you verify your deployment? Why didn't you do that? So you do not want to have the situation, right? Okay, so let's go. So we will be doing the API part, right? And the completing all of these steps. And then whatever we do in the API, we'll go to the backend, sorry, database. We'll be logging to the database. We'll be verifying each of this. Good? We'll be verifying each of
Yes.
this because database is directly connected with the, what are you trying to do?
Actually, it's
Why is
loading
working for
because
me? Is it the slow for you? Okay. We are exactly using the DevOps engineer, exactly the deployment guide. Shahnawaz created this document, not me. We're exactly using what he has provided me. Of course, he has not done any testing properly. He just deployed it. He just deployed it and we just kept it. You guys all have the access permission on it, but it is working on my end very clearly. What happened with you? This is the server on our end. Okay, so he is accessing from his end. He is actually the hitting at least at the 50,000 router, 50,000 minimum, because he is using the 1,000 of ISP to reach out to this computer because server is here. That's the reason it is slow. And simply it is called the, it has a specific name. Okay, so let's go continue with this.
okay. So let's start with the like create a new company. Okay.
Because your
So
company, the company need the service. So let's get this done.
yeah.
Try it out.
So if we click on the try it out, then give the company name. So we have to give the unique name. We cannot give the existing name here. So let's give a name here, like
Yes, for you limited.
yes, for you limited. Then the
Then you provide the
address
address, your company address,
in Michigan. Then we have the
company TIN
TN
number
number.
means your EIN number, because it's a B2B application. It's not like a B2C. B2C means the e-commerce, B2C, business to consumer. B2B means the business to business. The business need the service from another business. Okay.
Okay. So after giving all of these, then if I click on the execute,
Okay. We're good.
uh, let me,
You
okay.
get the same curl
So
command.
here you can see that this is the status code. This is the
Okay.
response body. Here is the company address and the
Yep.
company ID. So this is the actually the unique ID of this company. Okay, and the company name, then the TIN number, and here we can see the message, the successfully registered with the company name, and also the status is success. Okay, so we're good. And
Take the
uh,
curl command and you read the
no,
other
no.
details. If it is not, read the other code. This is again, we are not going to repeat the same thing. Copy the curl command.
So let me copy the curl command. So just click here, it's copied. Now let me go to the Postman. Okay, I have already the Postman is here. So now let's create a workspace first. Okay, so create a workspace. So give the name of the workspace. So let's
Will be
say
the authentication
FFM
authorization.
um,
FFM.
uh, API automation, and I can give the name like February 23, like just tagging here, and then click on the personal, then click create workspace. Okay, then create a collection here, and just rename the collection with authentication and authorization. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is our collection, and now let's create some subfolders. So click on these three dots, add folder, and give the name of this folder is positive, and another one, add folder, negative. Okay, so we have two folders here. Now what we can do, we can bring that request. We have already copied the curl command, so just click on the import, then go to the raw text, then just paste it here, click on the continue, then click on the import. Okay, it's imported. Then click on the save first, then select the collection, select the folder, then save it. Okay, now we can also rename this. Just click on these three dots, click on the rename, then just rename this, that user should be able to create the company. Okay, so actually not the user, the FFM OT member should be able to
Opportunity
create
member.
the company. Okay, so go to the body and we can click on the beautify, so that okay, so now we
Okay,
can see
let's
this is
stop
the
there now.
information.
Let's
Okay.
stop